Pausa kay Gabriel, kaya kontak.
Kaya may guide, hindi, nag-ring. Pinatay mo.
Tinatawagan kita, huwag na kayo sumama, kumanang kayo. Dapat kinanang kayo.
Araw, makakayo na. Vitamin tulog.
Vitamin tulog.
Talaga dito,
Maligo tayo.
Pwede, tumalong ka. Lalabas ka malolos.
Para ikaw yung magiging isang Joros. Joros Flores.
Aso yun, kigambing.
Ayun! Ano yung hinahanap? Nagguling na po kayo. May liliit ang kambing, sopan me.
Talagang ka rin pinaskulta. Tama, mumukit la.
Dito, may iyang ano.
To the rescue.
Oh!
Go! Never mind.
Pwede na rin yun dyan.
Rin niya talaga ito.
Aliyo.
Makatali ito, oh.
Aliitang ka rin.
Aso ito.
Aliyo.
Aso ya.
Kambing, oh. Si kambing niya.
Aso ya, leme.
Ay, magbalik yan.
Ayan, oh.
Ay, magbalik yun. Magsanenitang hinda.
Aso ya nga.
Ali, kambing niya kaya. Nagkakambapla lang.
Oo.
May paitunanin
Ausan.
yung hinda.
At makatali itang hindana, oh.
Aliya sa atin, naglinipag ka kanina.
Sa nino rin. At tapang ka rin.
Ne, dagninitang anak ko.
Tara, let's go. Here. Ano mo nga pa makikyan, malula ako. Cellphone nyo ha, baka mahulog. Bakit?
Malagyan po ang inyong cellphone.
Malaglag yung mga cellphone nyo ha. Nakakalula.
Malaya ka doon. Nasaan? Mamaya! Gaya-gaya.
Welcome to Condadong Dam. This is the third dam in the Arayat, Pampanga. And now you're living here because the wind is too fast. Be careful. You might fall down. Hold on in the rail. Hold on. Don't take your hands off the rail.
Take your picture, look. Hey, how are you, man?
What can you say about Condadong Dam in the Philippines? Lele. What can you say about the scenery in the Condadong Dam? Condadong Dam. Yeah, bubble gum. Oh. Putas na lakwela ko mali.
Where's your house?
Ay, I don't know.
Where's your house?
Over there.
Over there.
You see the tower? See the tower here? There. You see the tower there?
Yeah.
That's not ours. It's in the other side. You see? Now you know. This is not San Francisco. This is Los Francisco. Los Francisco.
San Francisco.
I don't know. I just heard it. Battle to battle, ha?
Uy, malabo yung cellphone ko.
Apakailingay ko. Ha? Bakit? Tara! Lulula ka. Before you leave, you have to pay $20 each.
Okay. That's bang thing.
Now you're living Los Francisco, California.
Okay.
Ah.
What, she's scared to come over there? You're afraid of height?
Silver.
Ida,
She's afraid of
you
heights.
afraid of height?
Yes.
Look down there. Look right there. Right there. Look over there. Look over there.
Marami pa tao. Kasi pera nila.